Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can watch football match live. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. First of all, open up any type of preferred browser on your device and search for Sky Sport. Open up the first site that comes up and you will be redirected to the website's homepage. Tap on the hamburger menu located at the top right corner. Select Sport and then select Football. After that, you'll be brought to the news, articles and match score page. Simply, you just have to scroll down on the page and you'll be able to locate matches. Since there are no live matches right now, I can't show you, but you can come here and watch football matches after purchasing one of their paid plans. The second site you can go for is BT Sport, and simply search for it in the browser. Open up the first site that shows up. To watch matches live, tap on Sports and you'll be brought to the appropriate section. Then select the football and then select the preferred league, and then you can watch matches when they are live after applying for one of their paid plans. And after selecting a paid plan, you can watch it whenever you want. And that's how you can watch football matches live. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.